Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you my Mercedes GL550 and I'm going to replace the light bulb. These bulbs right on the rear of your seat, right underneath. If you look at on the floor panel, this is where they are located. Very easy. You just pop this one open, and once we take the bulb out, then we can replace it with LED or the same bulb. So this is the light bulb. You need, or you have a smaller screwdriver, you just put it underneath like this and just pop this one out and it comes out. That's how it's easy. And now we're going to remove the bulb. We're going to, if the bulb is burned, we're going to replace it, or as I'm doing, I'm upgrading to LED. And once we're going to replace with LED, it's going to be really bright. This is broad daylight and it's very bright LED. I like it. And this is the original bulb. And that's how it's easy to replace the bulb or upgrade to LED. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side on the passenger seat. And if this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe my channel.